From Hunkydory, this Fancy Floral Postcard Pad is filled with floral postcard artwork for such a pretty look. And I'll show you the postcard portion of this in just a moment. It measures 4 inches by 6 inches. It has 48 double-sided postcards that are ready to send in the mail. So here's the front. I'm going to turn it over in just a moment. Beautiful violets, beautiful florals, and when I turn it over, here is the back. So you've got where your stamp is going to go. You've got an area for writing to and from. You could put a stamp right there, or you could use this imagery on a card, which I think is a great idea too. And this would be nice for on a scrapbook page, sort of a travel or a vintage look, writing as if it went to someone you know. So I think that's a neat idea. You're getting 16 different designs and 3 postcards of each. So these are heavyweight cardstock, like I said, ready to send in the mail. So you can use them as is. You don't have to add a thing to them, or put these on the front of a card. You've got 3 images of them, and you have a beautiful design really quickly. This one is all about daffodils and narcissus. It talks about them, and again, on the back of each one is a beautiful look ready to go with a postcard. So 3 of those. The rose is in here, and I'll look at the back. The rose with the back on that postcard. The delphinium, beautiful blues. And we'll go through the different flowers. Lily of the Valley, so that's beautiful. I do love the vintage look on here. So this is another neat thing about Hunkydory. They have such beautiful imagery. They really combine their colors well and use their images to full effect. It's just this large floral image on there. Gladiolus, it's just beautiful. And remember, each one of these is a postcard that's ready on the back for you to send. Wisteria, that's very pretty. Tulip, 48 all together of these double-sided, and this one is going to go sideways. And on the back again, just the imagery continues on the back. I love that about Hunkydory. They really fill up a page with their artwork, and I like that. So there's no unused space, and it's really pretty just to get this in the mail. You could even take one of these if you wanted to send it as is, you can, or you can add just some dazzles on there, because dazzles lay nicely flat, and you can send that in the mail. So that would just be beautiful with some gold border dazzles or some gold jewel dots, or even butterfly dazzles would be beautiful on there. There's the aster, the chrysanthemum. This makes me think of the birth flower set that Hunkydory has right now that we have on Paper Wishes. It goes all the way through the year with even poinsettia, so you could wait and send that around Christmas time. So absolutely beautiful looks. Let me just show you how it was used on a card. So here we have one of the postcards here, and then another of the same postcards was turned over, and the image on the back was used on the left side. So that's just a really fun look. You've got your papers you can put on the back. You can add some jewel dazzles, a little bit of ribbon. It does create a beautiful card, or you can use them as they are originally intended as postcards, the Fancy Floral Postcard Pad from Hunkydory.